Well, good morning. I'm wondering if anybody can help me with a sound I am observing on my motorcycle. It is a 2017 Moto Guzzi V7, and that's the way the engine sounds right now. I've driven it about 5 miles, 4 miles from cold, obviously, anyways, there's the bike for starters. Very nice, I do love it. But I'm just kind of wondering if the engine sound, or the transmission sound, or the clutch sound that I'm hearing is 100% normal. I had it in for its first servicing. I'm at about 1,000 miles right now, 1,600 kilometers for those of you in metric. And I'm just wondering if the sound I'm hearing from the engine after it's been warmed up, excuse me, after it's been warmed up, if this is normal. Now I know that the Moto Guzzi has a dry clutch versus a wet clutch. You know, it's not bathed in oil. Dry clutch is apparently what Moto Guzzi decided would be the best configuration, or the best setup for its engine, and nothing wrong with the dry clutch. They're practically as good as wets, I hear these days, but I've heard that a wet clutch will not make the kind of sounds that I'm hearing here. I've had Yamahas, I've had Hondas, I've had BMWs, and they have never ever made this rattly sort of sound. And I noticed this in the very beginning, so I'm going to just demonstrate. And what I'll do is I will quit coughing for one. Got a cold, I'm sorry, excuse me. Yeah, she's warm. Very warm. What I will do is it's in neutral right now, obviously. And here's how the bike sounds with the clutch, obviously, out. I will now take the clutch. See how it gets quieter? Sounds like a BMW or a Yamaha now. I know it's not one of those. Let it out. Seems to disappear when you rev it a bit. Go around. Pull the clutch in. Let it out. Pull it in. Let it out. Pull it in. Let it out. Clutch pulled in. Release. In. Out. Other side. In. Out. In. Out. Anyways. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. That sounds perfectly normal. Better watch out, it's 7 a.m. Again. Now it's very quiet, just like a BMW. Now it's very noisy, just like a Moto Guzzi or a Ducati, I understand. Is this normal? If anybody's got any suggestions or hints, or can confirm that their V7 III sounds like this, I would really appreciate it. Because in, out, in, out. So yes, if anybody could confirm that that is perfectly normal, please let me know. Clutch release, clutch engaged, it's in neutral. Release, release, engage, release. That's how she is. Otherwise, I'm going to go for a good ride here through London, Sunday morning. Show you where we're at. The old police building, furniture depository, looking up towards Shepherd's Bush, and Como, the Moto Guzzi. I'm going for a bike ride. So if anybody can please, excuse me, advise accordingly. If this is a perfectly normal sound, I would really appreciate it. And if you want to go on a little ride through London right now, then please join me. I'll do all the work. I'll do all the driving. All the riding. I'm probably going to send this this video to a few places. A couple of Moto Guzzi experts, which I am not. My first Moto Guzzi. I love it. It's a great bike. I'm just curious about that engine sound, or clutch sound, dry clutch sound. So please, if you have any experience in this, please let me know. I would be very grateful. So let's go for a good spin. Early Sunday morning, 7 a.m. 7:30 by now. Beat some traffic, get our day off to a good start. How can't it be a good start? I'm on a beautiful motorcycle, weather's beautiful, 7 or 8 degrees I think, maybe 9 by now, and it's Sunday, and I'm going to have a good ride. Then I'm going to get down to business, so let's go for a ride, perhaps an hour. Again, anybody can help me with that sound, please advise. I'm all ears. Thank you. Tesco at Cromwell Road, Earl's Court Road. Good place to shop. Yeah, she sounds like a bucket of bolts sometimes. But she's brand new. Huh. Baffling situation. I mean, it really doesn't bother me that much, the sound. But I just like to know if I'm not in the process of damaging something. Didn't sound good, whatever it was. Maybe I'm just too paranoid. My neighborhood. I do like my neighborhood. What a beautiful day. Wow. Had a lovely mountain bike ride yesterday. Great. Yeah, it was amazing. That's right. Signal left and pull right. Great move. Oh, now you signal left. Come on, Mr. Guy from Spain, let's get going. So we'll go straight up Kensington High Street, Kensington Gore, and then we'll cut up through Charing Cross, take a spin on the freeway maybe, and we'll call it a day. Wow, what a beautiful morning. Hyde Park on our left. We've gone through Hyde Park.